Moving to water resistance. The friction between water and any other object is called water resistance. We face water resistance when we swim or when we place our hand in flowing water. Just like air resistance, water resistance also depends on the shape of the object. Ships and boats are shaped in a such way to minimize water resistance. Okay, if we talk about water resistance, so the friction, the force between water and any other object you can first of all take boat. So when the force between water and boat is called water resistance. Okay, so the friction between water and any other object, our hands, us. So when there is a force between us and the water is called water resistance. And we face water resistance. How we face water resistance? When we swim in the water or when we are placing our hand in the flowing water. Okay, sometimes when we go to the sea, so we place our hand in the water to feel the water resistance. And water resistance, like air resistance, depends on the shape of the object. How? That you can see that why ships and boats have the different shapes, not like the aeroplanes. They are shaped in a such way to minimize water resistance. Moving to page number 91. Demerits of friction. Demerits means disadvantages of friction. That when friction is applied, so what are its demerits, what are its disadvantages? Friction can become a problem for us too. Engines waste energy in the form of heat as a result of friction between their internal parts. In a lot of machinery, friction causes wear and tear in their parts. As you can see in the picture, tires are worn out because of continuous friction with the ground. Worn out shoe sole as a result of friction. A drill bit heat up when it pierces the wall due to friction. Sometimes it's breakups. When friction is applied, so what are its disadvantages? Uh, Before reading the disadvantages of friction, we have read the advantages of friction, that how it is applied on water resistance, how it is applied on air resistance as well. So now we are discussing the demerits of friction. So sometimes it can become a problem for us as well. For example, that in a car, engines waste energy. We can run our car through petrol. So engines waste petrol in the form of heat. Okay, as heat is produced internally from the engine. Okay, and there are some machineries which causes wear and tear. Okay, there are some machineries which we use in our uh, offices as well, and what happens, sometimes they become wear and tear. Wear and tear means sometimes they do not work and sometimes any fault comes in them. So it means that due to friction, some disadvantages are also there in the machinery. As you can see in the picture, that a tire before it was black and it has no worn, it has not been, ये जो है पहले जो खराब नहीं हुआ है, worn means खराब होना, it has not become worn. But when friction is applied, when we have used the car a lot, so what happens, that a tire worn. Same with the shoes. If we are using shoes daily, so what happens, that a sole before using was much different from the sole after using. So what happens to the sole? That sole used to worn out. In the third picture, a drill bit heats up when it pierces the wall due to friction, and sometimes it breaks up. As you can see, this is a drill machine. This is a bit, and what happens when we pierces into the wall due to friction, sometimes it breaks as well. So up till here we have done with the topic. So hope you understood, and